I am Dr. Mohd Wasif Azam, Consultant Cardiologist in Germanten Hospital Attapur. I would like to give a message to the younger generation from Germanten Hospital for prevention of heart attacks. In young people, one of the most common cause of heart attacks is use of tobacco. Tobacco is nowadays used in multiple forms. Tobacco is used for smoking in the form of cigarettes, bidi. Tobacco is used for chewing like zarda and pan masalas and all those things. The newer trend of use of tobacco is hookahs. Nowadays you must have heard about hookah parlors, people going and smoking hookahs for recreational purposes. And the latest one is electronic cigarettes or vaping. All these are different forms of use of tobacco which are present nowadays. I would like to say one thing, that all forms of tobacco usage is equally harmful. There is nothing like smoking is more harmful than chewing, or hookah is less harmful than smoking cigarettes, or vaping is not harmful. All of these have detrimental bad side effects on the health. They can lead to heart attacks, they can lead to lung cancers, they can lead to oral cancers, they can lead to brain strokes, they can lead to bladder cancers. All these things are linked to smoking. There is a common misconception among the people that electronic cigarettes are safe and they can be used. That is absolutely wrong. Electronic cigarettes are equally harmful, sometimes more addictive. Newer generation, younger generation is getting addicted to vaping. They started just because of peer pressure from friends, and it becomes an addiction. There is a another misconception is hookah smoking is not as bad as cigarette smoking because the smoke gets filtered through the water which is present in the hookah. That is also very wrong. In fact, if somebody smokes a hookah completely, it is said that it is equivalent to 10 cigarettes. So all forms of smoking, all forms of use of tobacco, whether it is cigarette, bidi, vaping, hookah, everything is equally harmful, and and tobacco can cause multiple problems in your body. Thank you.
Germanten Super Speciality Hospital. Dr. Mir Jawad Zar Khan, Senior Experienced Orthopedic Surgeon, Bone Fracture, Joint Replacement, Hip Replacement और Spine Surgery कामयाबी से अंजाम दे रहे हैं। इसके अलावा न्यूरो सर्जरी, कार्डियोलॉजी, गैनाकोलॉजी, डेंटल, जनरल मेडिसिन, डायलिसिस और फिजियोथेरेपी जैसे शोबाजात में इंतहाई कामयाबी के साथ वाजबी फीस में इलाज किया जा रहा है। शेयरिंग और प्राइवेट रूम्स। अस्पताल में 24 घंटे MRI, CT स्कैन, 2D डिजिटल एक्सरे, अल्ट्रासाउंड, ऑपरेशन थिएटर, ICU और लैब की सहूलत दस्तयाब है। आपकी उम्मीदों के ऐन मुताबिक जर्मनटन सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल, पिलर नंबर 150, अतापुर, हैदराबाद।
अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो यहाँ पर रेड कलर का सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है, उसे क्लिक करें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और साथ ही साथ बेल आइकन को भी क्लिक कीजिए, जिससे आपको ताज़ा अपडेट मिलती रहे।